Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and Ryan and I, as well as 4 other channels, and they are Playful Reborn, Tina's Reborns and More, Dory's Dollies, and J Dolls UK, would like to invite you for our monthly Elf Doll Challenge, which will be on the 21st of each month. And this month, the theme is either prom or wedding. And as you can see, Ryan needs some tailoring done to his suit. I found this in a Walmart for $2 on clearance, and I need to do some tailoring for him. We hope you will join in. It is always so much fun. And as for today, drop by Jay, Dory, Tina, and Penny's channels. There'll be links below to see what their elves are wearing to invite you to the challenge. Thank you for watching, as always, the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.